Welcome! In this video, we will show you how to use the most essential features of your online patient portal. How to find our website. Open any browser and search for the name Okbuli in your search engine. The first result should be our website. Click to open it. This is how our new website looks. How to log in. Click on the orange Login button. To change the language, click on the three lines and select Switch to English. Go back to the three lines and click on Sign In. Enter your email address and password, then follow the instructions. How to make an appointment. Click on Make Appointment. Select the type of the appointment. Check the availability. Choose a day and time. Click Next. Make any necessary notes about your complaint. To finish, click on Make this appointment. At the end, you will see the confirmation. How to cancel an appointment. After logging in, your current appointments will appear at the top. Click on Cancel Appointment. If a pop-up appears, just click OK. Your appointment will now be cancelled. How to ask a question. Click on Ask a Question. If it is your first time, read the information provided. Type your question in the box under What would you like to ask? If necessary, attach a file such as an image, document, or letter. Then click on Send Question. At the end, you will see the confirmation. Thank you for watching.